Hi, and welcome back. When we were looking at the very first part of this problem, we let me from here. We saw how Curry's consumption opportunity set changes with the number of seats that Durand buys. Basically, the more seats that Durand buys, the happier they both are. All right, and this gives Curry the opportunity to purchase both more seats and more other stuff. And given that they're both normal goods, he's going to be buying more other stuff. And he doesn't have to buy as many seats. Okay. In this case, the more seats Durand buys, the more Curry's happiness is being subsidized by Durand. So what we're going to try and do is I left you in a situation where we were like, hold on for a sec. Come here. All right. If you can see the screen, these were the budgets or the consumption opportunity sets. Actually, the thin blue line is also the budget set because that's the total amount that he can purchase individually. All right. The intercepts correspond on the y-axis, the total seats purchased, as the sum of what Curry buys and what Durand buys. Okay, and what we're going to try and do, this is where we're going to go, is let me just pull this up, select data, bada bing, and I'm going to show 1, 2. Okay, we see tangency portfolios. Okay, we see that when Durand is buying 5 seats, Curry's going to buy 19x. And when Durand buys 9 seats, he's going to buy 21x. So what's actually happening is that Durand is subsidizing some of Curry's consumption. All right, so let's see how we get there. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing for a bit. Okay, what we need to do is figure out the tangency conditions. So let me come back here. Come back here. And tangency requires the marginal rate of substitution to equal the marginal utility of x over the marginal utility of s equal to the relative price ratio of 1. And I've done the calculations. I'll show them to you. What we get is s minus 6 equals xc minus 3, or s minus 6 equals xc minus 3. And the budget constraint says 36 equals SC plus, but this is also saying XC equals S minus 3. So I'm going to put in here 36 equals SC plus S minus 3. Or 39 equals 2SC minus plus, SD. Or 2SC equals 39 minus SD. Or SC equals 39 over 2 minus 1/2 SD. Okay, this is our reaction function. That is the best response that Curry can make given Durand's purchase of seats. And think about it, all right? When Durand increases his purchase of seats by 1, Curry will say, hey, I'm going to reduce my purchase of seats by 1/2 and use that amount I'm saving to buy more other stuff. Okay, that's the motivation behind it. All right, let me shrink this for a second. Okay, if I do the exact same calculations for Durand, I see that his reaction function is 27 over 2 minus 1/2 SC. Okay, I've run out of time here, and I'll get back to it in the next part.